Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am going to go to the city. I'm going to have dinner with my sister. So she's recently just returned from overseas and I haven't seen her in like what, 2-3 months now. So I just wanted to catch up with her and I was lucky enough to land a collaboration with this restaurant in the city. I'm so thankful to the PR team and the restaurant, Sweetie and Moustache I think it's called. So yeah, thank you so much. I'm so appreciative. So we're gonna go check that place out together, have a nice dinner. I'll show you guys obviously what we're going to have and some of the really Instagram worthy dishes they have there, and then pretty much go home. I've got a day off tomorrow and on Saturday, so yeah, I'm pretty much going to try and just stay home and do some video work. I've got a couple of things that I want to do, like a hair video. I also have to do contact lens video, so I'll let you guys know. Okay, so now I'm in the city. My sister apparently does not want to be in the vlogs today, but that's fine. So we're here. This is what the place looks like. So this place is called Sweetie and Moustache. This is along Russell Street. Yeah, it's in the CBD. This place is so cute. I had a look upstairs and the view is amazing. So I think we'll just have food down here and then we'll make our way upstairs just for a few photos. So we're now going to have our dinner. I'll show you guys quickly what we're having. So my sister wanted to have this, so we're going to share that. And then I'm going to have the chicken burger with some chips. And then my sister got the burrito, ramen burrito. Looks so cool. Alright, let's dig in, guys. So we've moved out to the rooftop bit and it's a fairly cloudy day. Honestly the view here would look so much better at night, I feel, because they've got the lights and everything. From where we're sitting you probably can't really see much, but they've got the lights as well. They've got the whole vibe out here. It's very pretty. This is insane. It's so cool. Hey guys, it's the next day. So my sister and I had an amazing time at Sweetie and Moustache. We had that fish bowl. We didn't really think it was that strong, and then it just hit us. So that was that was very interesting, but it was very delicious. So I'm gonna go back there in 2 weeks to hang out with Steph to try out the dessert menu. Again, shout out to the PR team and Sweetie and Moustache. Like, thank you so much for putting me in there because yeah, the food was great. So today's actually a day off for me and I'm just here in the living room, the lounge area. So that's the filming room over there. I just wanted to try out a different location to film. I feel like with some lifestyle sort of like content, or if I'm like talking about products, like I'm gonna do like a purple shampoo review sort of thing in a second. I find that with the white wall it's very studio-esque and it's nice for the makeup, but I feel like for certain things I need a little bit of like lifestyle to kind of like tie it down. I mean, obviously I've got the bike there as well, but you know what I mean, like I need that. So let me know if you guys are into this new backdrop for like my normal talking type videos. Definitely let me know down in the comment box down below. But anyway, I'm about to just film a review on these lenses from TTDI. So I've got the what shades are they? Queen Blue shade, and then what was the other one? The other one is called Crystal Ball Blue. So I'm going to try them out and do a first impressions review. So if you guys would like to see that, definitely just stay on the channel because I think this vlog's going to go up first before any of those videos. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do, and I'm going to exercise on the bike as well because I have been eating quite a lot in the last few weeks, and I feel like a bit of my weight's kind of come back, which is fine. Like I said, I didn't really get on this whole fitness journey just to lose weight. Like, that's a good bonus, but it's really just so that I can feel healthier and feel more confident and also boost my mood, because exercise does boost your mood. So that's what I'm doing it for, really. But there's a potential that I might be doing a weight loss program at some point, but details are still a bit fuzzy. I'll get back to you guys on that. But yeah, I'm going to continue filming this before my battery starts dying. Ta-da! Makeup is done. Bit smoky on the eyes. That brown was very cool toned, but I think it works. I think it looks nice. Alright, so I'm going to go back into filming. So I'm going to do one about hair, one about eye creams, and I'm going to then edit a video. I'm going to post on Instagram. Yes, it's Instagram day, night, yes. Hey everyone, it is now Sunday and I'm going to head into the city in a minute. I'm going to catch up with Rachel. She's recently returned from overseas, and yeah, I haven't seen her in quite some time, so it's just going to be us catching up. I'm not really going to be wearing any makeup today, just skincare pretty much. Don't really feel like wearing makeup, but yeah, I'll take you guys along with us. The plan is we're going to go to this place called Shinjuku, which is basically a ramen bar in the city, but plans could change, so who knows. Hey guys, I'm now in the city. I'm at QV. I'm going to go to Daiso. I'm going to grab another puff and sponge cleaner. It's gotten really bright. Yeah, I want to do another cleaning video. I want to do one for brushes and also want to do one for sponges as well. So yeah, I think I might grab just one bottle just because I've got so much cleaning product at home. Daiso's got really inexpensive products, which is why I like coming here. Sometimes you just really need an inexpensive tool, and that's pretty much it. I did try double eyelid tape for a video, but didn't turn out right, so but yeah, what do you guys think of their lashes? I think they're pretty okay. I think they're more on the natural side, but yeah, you know me, I prefer dramatic lashes. Anyway, I'm here for the puff and sponge cleaner, and looks like this Daiso has heaps, so I'm just gonna grab one. It looks like Daiso's got more tools as well, so they've got foundation puffs or sponges and some brushes. Let me know if you guys would like me to do a review or like first impressions type video on these brushes, because some of them do look pretty decent. Alright guys, here it is. We've got the black ramen. Do you want to beat it? And here's Rachel. We're just catching up over some food, and she's also got a ramen herself. She's got the normal one. Alright, let's dig in. Hi guys, so I'm back home. I didn't really vlog while I was with Rachel. I just pretty much just spent the whole time catching up with her. I didn't even really look around the place. So again, we went to a place called Shinjuku. So as you guys saw from that clip, it's pretty much like I just showed you ramen and then Rachel. Anyway, I stopped by the mailbox because I didn't realize I didn't check the mailbox on Friday, and I got a package from Rimmel London. So it says volume your way. I also love the fact that they've converted to like really recyclable packaging. Love it when brands do that. So looks like we've got 2 mascaras. So from what I can see, we've got 2 mascaras and an eyeliner. So the mascara is apparently a buildable volumizing mascara. So here's the little promo material. So you can layer it up and it will give you amazing volume. If you guys would like me to try it out, definitely let me know. I was a huge fan of building up mascara on my lashes, but these days I'm just very lazy, so now I just put lashes on. But you know, I'm more than happy to do that for you guys if you guys are interested. So I think they sent me 2 shades. Yeah, they did. So they sent me 2 shades. They sent me a black one, and they also sent me a brown black. So I'm assuming brown black is for people that just want more of a natural volumized lash look, or if you have naturally fair hair. Personally, I would just go for black, but I'm not opposed to using brown black, especially for days that I don't really want to wear too much like makeup. And then they've also sent me their Wonder Ink liner, which is this. I'm a big fan of winged eyeliner, like liquid eyeliner, as you guys probably can tell from my content, so having another one is always really handy to have. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. In my next vlog, I think I'm going to do a bit of a comparison between the G7X and the Google Pixel 4. 4XL is the one I have, just to see like the vlogging quality. Like I know I've vlogged on this before and I'm pretty much just vlog on this for most of my other vlogs, but I wanted to do like a tech comparison video. I've been watching a couple of tech comparison videos, so I thought I would just add my 2 cents into that as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram if you guys haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.